What is good, everyone? It's me, Vince, again with another video, and for today I'm gonna be trying to install a flexible solar panel from Lensun Solar onto this truck. And for all of you guys who have been following my channel, you already know that I already have a couple of 100-watt solar panels on top of this truck. But in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys, or I'm gonna be telling you why I'm changing that to a flexible solar panel and what are the benefits. Do you really need a solar panel? So if you guys like to find out, stick around and try to watch the video. So before we move on, I just want to ask you guys a big favor, and that is by subscribing and liking this channel. Also try to hit that bell notification. It just helps me in the long run, and it's free after all. Alright, here it is, guys. So this is the solar panel from Lensun Solar. I got the 200-watt solar panel, and this is almost an even square. It's about 41 by 42 and a half inches in measurements, and I'm gonna be putting their link in the description if you guys are looking for a different kind of solar panel, or you're looking for the same one. They have a variety and different kinds of solar panels and other products. So yeah, go check them out. And for right now, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. So here it is, guys. As you can see, it's, like I said, it's an almost even square. Right off the bat, I see that the packaging is great. They put a lot of cushioning and protection, just to be sure that you get it in one piece and it's not broken. But yeah, this looks really nice. And like I said, this is a 200-watt solar panel. It's very light too, So usually some people with an RV would use this kind of solar panel, but like I said, I'm gonna be putting it on top of my rooftop tent, and I will be replacing the one that I have. And yeah, this looks really nice. So let's go ahead and I guess put this on top of my tent. Alright guys, so I'm here on top of my truck, and before we put that solar panel, the flexible one, on here, I just want to go ahead and remove this old ones. And also I want to tell you guys the reason why I'm removing this and changing it to that one. So one main reason is because these solar panels are living 24/7 on top of the roof rack. So with that being said, and because of that, my roof rack, I can't use it for anything else. In case I want to bring a kayak, I can't, pretty much, because these solar panels are on top of my roof rack. So that is one main reason why I'm changing it to a flexible one, where I can just slap that on top of the rooftop tent, and it's gonna be freeing the roof rack from these solar panels. So because of that, I'm able to put anything I want on top of the roof rack when it's all said and done. So let's go ahead and remove these ones first, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, there you have it. So I went ahead and removed the old solar panels already, and while I was at it, I just went ahead and cleaned the surface where I'm going to be putting the new solar panel. Alright, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and prep the solar panel itself. Alright guys, so now it's time to prep the actual solar panel. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be lying it flat on the ground with some cover. That way it doesn't scratch the solar panel, because you would want to put it upside down. So right now I'm gonna be using a double-sided tape. Just gonna put the tape pretty much around the edges, leaving no gap. That way, you know, dirt doesn't go in there or underneath the solar panel. Dust and dirt and whatever, like the elements. That way it keeps it clean underneath. But yeah, so when we're using this double-sided tape, it's rated 30 pounds, so it should be more than enough. So let's go ahead and put that on. And all right guys, so there you go. As you can see, I have the double-sided tape in place. I just put it around the edges of the solar panel because I think that should be more than enough. I was thinking about putting like rigid lines in the middle, but I was also thinking if I need to remove it for any kind of reason, maybe like to put it on a new tent or whatever, it might be hard for me to remove it. So this should be more than enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the truck, and I'll show you guys after. All right, there you have it guys. So I mocked where I wanted to place the solar panel on the rooftop tent, and I try to measure it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times just to make sure that it all has an even spacing on both sides. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and actually peel this part right here. So these are, you know, earlier I showed you guys the double-sided tape where it was. So what I'm gonna do is, since it's already where it is, where I want it to be, I'm just gonna pull this, and that way it's gonna be mounted on the rooftop tent. Also, I just want to point out, by the way, the good thing about this solar panel is that it comes with these connectors already. So all I need to do is just, you know, run that where I want it to go, and it actually is compatible with my old wiring. So that's pretty great. I don't have to do a lot of wires. So yeah. Alright guys, so I actually forgot to mention earlier that before you peel the tape off, you would want to test the connections first before, you know, making it permanent on top of your truck. So I did go ahead and put the connections. Thankfully, it's working. I'm going to be showing you guys a video here of my Jackery charging now. And yeah, so now that it's working, we're just going to go ahead and route this wire and make sure that it's tucked properly. And that's about it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the solar panel is mounted and it's working properly, and it's pretty easy to install actually. So if you guys want this kind of solar panel, or you're looking for some solar panel for your vehicle, I'm going to be posting their link on the description box below. And that's it for this video. If you guys like this kind of videos, feel free to subscribe, and as always, catch you on the next one.